Good morning, Andy. It's Ryan here from LA Nissan. So in front of me is a beautiful 2017 Nissan Rogue SV technology package. So as you can see, I do have a vast inventory of Rogues. So if you kind of wanted a different color or something, I could show you one of those as well. But stepping on into the interior of this one, as you can see, overall amazing condition on this vehicle. It is going to have the all-wheel drive system. All of our power appointments there, windows, mirrors, and locks. It is going to have blind spot monitoring, forward collision detection, heated seats, heated steering wheel. It's going to have cruise control and Bluetooth on the steering wheel. Super low kilometers, sitting at only 42,000. Navigation, dual climate zones, heated seats as I mentioned, panoramic moonroof on the top, and much more. Jumping on into the back here, you can see ample room for any passengers you have, and then tons of cargo storage in the back there. So with all that being said, Andy, it's Ryan here from LA Nissan. I'm prepared to go above and beyond to earn your business. I do have a vast inventory of Rogues available as well. So let me know kind of what color and what package you'd want, and we can start taking the next steps. Alternatively, if this black one looks like the perfect one, let me know and I can build you some payments on this one. Talk to you soon.